first screen you will see a project screen. And the goal is to create a project for your farm or land. And let's say sample, I'm going to call it module 1. And let's say I want to do it in Illinois. So I'm going to retrieve the startup data. So this is very important to tell the application that you're going to retrieve some initial data. Otherwise, your map will be empty. So there, I will have the possibility to say download data for the project. And there you have different countries and also tutorial data. If you go to USA, you'll have different states. And there I will click, if it's Illinois, I will click on Illinois and say download. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it again to make it faster. Once it's downloaded, it will appear in a list of data sets that you have available, and then I'm just going to say import. And there it will set up the project, bring in some data layers and some empty data layers. This is important because it will set up some initial layers that are useful for working with NRCS. You can always create new data layers with new data structures for your specific use, and save that for your team. So there I have a little map window in the lower left where I can quickly locate myself. Or I have a list of layers that I can just double click on any layer and zoom to the extent of that layer. And let's say I have a project here between, I guess it was Logan and Mason counties. Once I have located more or less my area of interest, I can turn on one of the imagery layers. In this case, it's this VE imagery, which stands for Virtual Earth Imagery. You have different layers, and you will learn more from the documentation. So basically, that's the first step. In the first week, just locate your farm project, and based on that area, then you will be able to download other information. So it's pretty straightforward. It's just creating a project and locating your area of interest.